Ever feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? That constant tension and stiffness in your back? Well, a simple back massage could be just the thing you need. I'm talking about a gentle, at-home massage, nothing complicated, no fancy equipment required. This isn't about professional massage techniques, it's about simple, easy movements you can do yourself or have a family member do. This type of massage can really help boost your overall well-being. By gently working the muscles in your back, you can improve circulation, which is crucial for delivering nutrients and removing toxins. This can lead to less muscle tension, fewer headaches, and even better sleep. It's also a great way to de-stress and relax after a long day. So, next time you're feeling tight and stressed, give a simple back massage a try. It's a small act of self-care that can make a big difference. Are you looking for a way to unwind after a long day? A simple back massage at home could be just what you need. It's an easy and accessible approach to relaxation and well-being. It helps to improve circulation, which means your body can get rid of toxins more effectively, and it makes your skin look and feel better. This type of massage can also ease muscle tension and soreness, especially if you're dealing with stiffness in your neck, shoulders, or lower back, leaving you feeling more flexible and comfortable. This massage method contributes to a calmer mind and better quality sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Regularly doing this sort of massage once or twice a week can contribute to better digestive health and reduce uncomfortable issues such as bloating. In addition, it has positive effects on your heart and lungs, which is extremely useful for all ages. Super relaxing back massage techniques. Step 1. Push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2. Lift and pull the area around the daswi point. Step 3. Directly push the daswi point. Step 4. Use knuckles to push the trapezius muscles on both sides. You can use these techniques, repeat several times, to strengthen the push. Step 5. Push the interscapular spaces on both sides. Step 6. Directly push the due meridian in the middle of the back. Here, be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 7. Push the entire back with both fists. Rub to warm the lower back. Finally, soothe and relax the back. Regular massage keeps people from feeling tired. Today I will share a fist pushing technique to help you relax your entire back. We hold the thumb of one hand with the other hand. Push down the back due meridian with a fist from top to bottom. Pay attention not to apply too much pressure to the spine. The second step is to make fists with both hands. First, push down the two sides of the back bladder meridian from top to bottom. And then push the scapular spaces on both sides. The third step is to push the trapezius muscles in our shoulder and neck area. You can use both fists with body force to push. You can also use one hand to make a fist and push with a single fist. The last step is to push the entire back with fists. Rub the entire back until it feels warm. Ever wondered about the benefits of a good back massage? It's more than just a treat for sore muscles. It can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. A massage focused on the back can help improve circulation, ensuring that vital nutrients reach every part of your body, from your head to your toes. This improved circulation can also contribute to healthier-looking skin, giving you a natural glow. Furthermore, this type of massage can support your immune system, helping you stay healthy and strong, ready to take on whatever the day throws your way. And for those of us dealing with daily stress, whether it's work deadlines or family commitments, It can also help promote deep relaxation and a sense of calm, allowing you to unwind and recharge. It's a holistic approach to feeling better, both physically and mentally, allowing you to feel more balanced and energized. Ever feel like your back is just tight or achy? Like there's a knot you just can't work out? A simple back massage can make a huge difference. Think of your back as a superhighway for important pathways in your body. These pathways connect everything from your digestion to your sleep, and even your skin. When these pathways are open and flowing smoothly, it really helps improve your circulation. This means better skin, because your body can get rid of toxins more efficiently. It also means less stress and tension, which leads to deeper, more restful sleep. And if you spend a lot of time at a desk, back massage can be especially helpful for easing neck and shoulder tightness. Regular back massage can also give your digestion a boost and even improve your breathing, helping you take in more oxygen. It's all about helping your body function at its absolute best, so you can feel more energized, more relaxed, and just generally better. This simple, at-home massage is a great way to support your overall well-being. Is your back constantly tense? It's more than just discomfort, it affects your overall health. Traditional practices highlight the back as a vital energy center, containing pathways called meridians, connected to your organs. When these pathways flow smoothly, your whole body benefits. Back massage helps clear these pathways, boosting circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles, reducing stiffness and pain, and increasing energy levels. It also helps your body eliminate waste efficiently. When your back feels good, you relax more easily, leading to better sleep and a stronger immune system. Incorporating a simple back massage once or twice a week can significantly support your body's natural healing process and enhance your well-being. It's an easy, at-home technique, no special skills or equipment needed. It's about taking care of your body in a simple and natural way. Give it a try and feel the difference. Want to feel better? Try back massage at home. It's more than relaxation, it has real benefits. Your back connects to key organs and affects many body functions. Massaging it improves blood flow, reduces muscle tension from daily activities, stress, or sitting for long periods. This also helps your nervous system, easing stress, anxiety, and promoting better sleep. Regular back massage also aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Doing this just once or twice a week can significantly improve your body and mind. It's easy, safe, and requires no special skills or equipment. It enhances overall wellness and can alleviate stiffness caused by poor posture. Consider adding this simple practice to your routine for a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Regular massages contribute to a sense of well-being by targeting key areas of tension. This simple yet effective technique is a great way to improve your physical and mental health. It can also be a helpful addition to any self-care routine. Ever wonder how to give your overall health a natural boost? Well, a simple back massage focusing on those energy pathways can be surprisingly beneficial. In traditional wellness practices, the back is seen as a central hub, connecting everything. So, when you massage these pathways, you're not just working on tight muscles, you're actually supporting your whole system. Regular back massages can really help improve blood flow throughout your body, which is key for reducing muscle tension, aches, and even boosting your immune system. It's like giving your body a little tune-up from the inside out. Plus, it can help balance things internally, which can be especially helpful if you're feeling run down or just a bit off. This type of massage is also believed to help with detoxing and getting rid of unwanted toxins. And because it promotes relaxation, it can contribute to better sleep, making you feel more refreshed when you wake up. This is not a complicated technique or requiring special tools, just a simple, at-home practice. Looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being? Think about this: a regular back massage can do more than just relax you after a stressful day. It can actually bring a whole host of benefits to your overall health. In traditional wellness practices, your back is considered a key area where energy flows, so massaging it helps keep things moving smoothly. By regularly massaging your back, you can experience improved blood flow, which is great for reducing muscle tension and soreness, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting or have poor posture. This can also help improve internal balance and strengthen your body's defenses. Plus, a good back massage can promote detoxification, helping to eliminate toxins from your system. And who doesn't love a good night's sleep? This method can help you fall asleep easier and sleep more deeply, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. This kind of back massage is easy to learn. You do not need any professional technique. Doing it 1 to 2 times a week can be surprisingly beneficial.